So, why did you choose Hong Kong?
Sir, Madam, I choose Hong Kong because of the rules and regulation specifically regarding to the employment. And most of all, I am very willing to work there as helper because of the high salary and better lifestyle.
Suppose the neighbor is on fire, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, if our neighbor is on fire, I will call the fire station and my employer.
Since you are a college level or graduate, can you tutor the children?
Yes, sir, Madam.
Are you now prepared to work in the Chinese family?
Yes, I'm prepared, sir, Madam.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, to my future employer, I am very pleasant to choose me. I promise that I will do my job very best and I will make it sure that you are not failed for choosing me, and I promise that I will finish my contract.
Thank you very much, Miss Wilma, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong abroad.
Thank you, sir, Madam.